Diego, a young 6-year-old astronaut, and his little brother Tiago, just a year and a half old, were aboard their spaceship, preparing for an exciting mission. The spaceship was flying through dark space, surrounded by bright stars and unknown planets. Diego, concentrating, was handling the controls, while Tiago, sitting next to him, was watching everything with great curiosity. The destination of their mission was a planet that was beginning to become visible on the horizon. When they landed on Planet X, the two brothers stepped out of the ship, wearing their spacesuits. The terrain was strange, covered in rocks and plants that glowed with a magical light. Diego, as always, took the lead with a scanner in his hand to look for signs of life, while Tiago followed closely behind, admiring everything they saw around them. After walking for a few minutes, the brothers arrived at a huge, futuristic structure. It was an alien space station, with blue lights glowing on its metallic surface. "Look, Tiago, it looks like a scientific base," Diego said excitedly, pointing towards the entrance. They both knew they had to investigate. Inside the space station, everything looked like something out of a science fiction movie. Holograms of galaxies floated in the air, and machines emitted bright lights that flickered in blue and green. Diego approached one of the technological consoles to inspect it, while Tiago was fascinated by a hologram moving before his eyes. Suddenly, an alert sound filled the station. Messages in an alien language appeared on the console screens. The brothers heard voices in the distance. They were the scientists who had been trapped in the station. Diego and Tiago understood that they had to rescue them. With determination, Diego and Tiago followed the sound of the voices until they reached a secret room inside the station. There they found the scientists, who were in trouble due to a failure in the base's systems. "You saved us," exclaimed one of the scientists upon seeing the two little astronauts enter. Diego, using his intelligence, managed to repair the system that had failed, restoring power to the station. The scientists, impressed by the young men's skills, thanked them enthusiastically. Tiago, for his part, offered his help by moving some small objects, proud to be part of the mission. With everything under control, the brothers accompanied the scientists back to their ship. Through the station's large windows, they could see the vast universe sparkling with stars and nebulas. Diego looked at his little brother and smiled. "Mission accomplished, Tiago," he said, as they both walked with the scientists toward the exit. Before leaving Planet X, the scientists gave them a small gift as a thank you, an alien rock that glowed with a soft, shifting light. "Thank you for saving us," the scientists said, smiling. Diego and Tiago kept the gift as a memento of their adventure. With their ship's engines firing, the two astronauts headed back into space, ready for new adventures. Planet X was behind them, but the brothers knew they would always be ready for the next challenge, together as the best team of space explorers.